In the last section, we spoke about the purpose of a cluster IP service. So we're now going to flip over to our code editor and create a new config file that's going to expose access to our set of multi-client pods to every other object inside of our cluster. So over inside of my code editor, I'm going to find my K8s directory, and I'm going to make a new file called client ClusterIP service.yaml. Then inside of here, we'll put together a little bit of configuration that's going to look very similar to the config file for the previous service we had created. One was the node port. This one is a cluster IP. At the end of the day, their config files look awfully similar. All right, so inside of here, we'll first start off with an API version of v1. We're going to create an object with a type of service. For our metadata, we're going to provide a name of client cluster IP service. And then for our spec, that's going to configure the way that this service behaves, we're going to specify a type of service of cluster IP. And take note of the capitalization here. We got capital C and capital IP on the end. Next, we need to provide a selector so that this service that we are creating knows what